Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I'll give you the complete idea, okay, about MSc in Digital Humanities. Guys, this video will be really helpful those who want to pursue their MA or MSc program in humanities and social science background. Guys, all the students who are from different degree colleges or from different universities, those who have completed their bachelor's program, okay, in different domain of humanities and social science, guys, you will learn artificial intelligence. Guys, you will learn artificial intelligence, you will learn Python, you will learn coding, everything you will learn if you want to pursue in this program your MSc program in this humanities and social science domain. So guys, listen carefully, okay. So guys, let's start. This is the home page of Indian Institute of Technology Jodhpur, IIT Jodhpur. So guys, I'll give you complete idea about MSc in Digital Humanities. So guys, I think you can see this MSc in Digital Humanities, okay. So first of all, I want to show you something very special, okay. So MSc in Digital Humanities, okay. So what are the courses you will cover during this MSc program? Okay, these are the courses you have to cover, okay. So look, this data structure and algorithms. Guys, those students who are from arts background, commerce background, those who have no any idea about coding, about engineering algorithms concept, guys, you will learn. If you put more and more efforts, you will learn, you have the ability. This is the major advantage of IIT. I know guys, you are from arts background, you are from humanities and social science background, but you will learn everything. Look, second is programming techniques like coding programming, okay. So you have to learn Python, you have to learn R programming, etc. So all these things like data structure and algorithms programming, you during this program MSc in Digital Humanities. So I'll give you complete details who can apply, what are the eligibility criteria, and if you want to know this all the things, you have to watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends, okay. So guys, look, you can pause this part. Look, and another technology program, engineering program, that is artificial intelligence for digital humanities. You cannot imagine, okay. This information will be really helpful for understanding what is the courses you will cover during your digital humanities MSc in Digital Humanities program. So look, AI means artificial intelligence, okay. All the engineering background students, they are doing some courses in this domain artificial intelligence, but you are the students from arts background student, you will learn during your program AI, okay, for digital humanities. So these are the program you will learn, you will get placement, everything, okay. So guys, this is a very good opportunity. So, and all the important information you are getting only from Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. So guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now I will show you this. You can go to this admission section. Look, applications for this 2021-22 year shall be opening soon. That means, so they will take student in 2020, okay. sorry 2021 June session. And these are the some question what is digital humanities, and you can read this carefully, you will understand. So the students from sociology, the students from geography, the students from psychology, okay, the students from computer science, the students from mathematics, okay, so all these fields, okay, are interrelated to this program MSc in MSc in digital humanities. Now I will show you the uh, who is eligible to apply, who is eligible to apply. You can see this question, so you are searching many information, okay, so look this, who is eligible to apply MSc in humanities, and you can see this, look. So we encourage candidates having a regular bachelor program background in humanities and social science, basic sciences, students which science disciplines to apply for MSc in digital humanities. So other eligibility criteria as per the institute norm. So they have certain rules and regulation. Um, you have to fulfill that eligibility. So it means that basic science means physics, chemistry, mathematics background candidates can also apply in this domain, okay. And now, is there any entrance test for MSc in digital humanities? Look, so it was it was previously written information, but when this will updated, when this will be updated, so you will see, look, you will see similarly like IIT Delhi, okay. Already I have made a video about IIT Delhi MSc in cognitive science. I have told you that the students who have GATE score, they can apply, okay, and the students who have CogJet score, they can also apply. So here similarly you will see this. So the students who have uh, GATE score, previous year GATE score like 2019 2020, so they can apply. The students from engineering background, the students from arts commerce background student can also apply in this program. Look, the students who will qualify GATE 2021 in humanities and social science candidate, they can also apply. So it is a big opportunity. There is no entrance test for MSc digital humanities. It means that it will update their recent eligibility criteria, okay. So I am telling you guys, though the students who will qualify GATE 2021, they should apply in this, okay. So it will be new program for you, I know guys, it will be new program for you, but if you have talent, okay, you should go for it. You will get lot of opportunities. And IIT Jodhpur doing very good. They are updating their all the departments. There are a lot of opportunities, and you have to explore that. You should grab this type of opportunity, okay. So guys, you can read all these MSc related questions. Look, who is eligible to apply, already I have mentioned. Look, is there any integrated MSc PhD? There is no integrated MSc PhD program, but there is MSc program in digital humanities and PhD program. Is there an interview process? Look, yes, there is a brief interaction process for shortlisted candidate in MSc digital humanities. So look guys, look, so the students who are from different backgrounds, if they are selected for interview, so you have to face a small interview, and it is clearly written here. Is there an interview process for MSc digital humanities? Yes, there is a brief interaction process for shortlisting candidates in MSc digital humanities, and I'll make a video which type of question they can ask, what are the question you can face, okay, during your this interview or interaction process. So guys, thank you, tata, bye bye from my side, all the best, jai hind, bande mataram.